Hello everyone, my name is Sharda Priya and I am working in the field of astrology. Astrology, the study of stars, the science of stars and planets. So, today I am going to discuss about the horoscope of Sagittarius and we will see that how the planets, how the stars are going to affect your personal life in 2021. First of all, I am going to discuss about the health, how the health will be affected in this year 2021. So nothing is serious. A little bit seasonal problems like throat problems, your vision and your dental issues will be there, and but you will have everything fine related to your health. And the second thing is the wealth. Wealth means finances, the gains. So, for wealth, we study the second house, which is the house of finances and family. Let us talk about your wealth, your finances, and your family life now. The second house, that is for the family and finances, there are two planets. The first one is the Jupiter, your lord of ascendant. He is helping you to making a lot of money. You will make it and you will save it, and nothing serious in that. But the Saturn in the second house, they always force you to work some hard. Nothing without hard work will be there. So, if you want to save more money, then work hard and use your speech, because the Jupiter in second house always fruitful and it gives more benefits with the proper use of your speech, because I know that you are always good at your speech. So make the maximum use of your speech and you will have more and more this year. And the third thing, now we will discuss about your education. Education, I can see that there are no more obstacles, no hurdles. But again, the Saturn will compel you to work hard. So, work hard, and if you are going to enter in any competition exam, or you are like planning to take the dates for exam, the best period for you is 13th April to 14th May, when the planet Sun, that will be in your fifth house. So Sun in the fifth house, that will be beneficial and give you better results. So the another month, that is 20th July to 16th September, that is the other time, the second time, which will be very good for you to take the dates for any competitive exams. Let us talk about the married life. The persons, the Sagittarians who are looking for a partner, they will get a nice partner this year and they can be married. And the persons who are already married, there is a good news for them. They may have a child. The birth of child may give you happiness, a new member in the family. And next, the business persons. So the Sagittarians who are involved in business, the time is good, and in January they can expand their business and new contacts and new orders can be made from June to August. That time is very good, and if there is any papers related to your business you are expecting from the government or any orders from the government, then the time from 20th July to 16th October, that is very good time for new orders, new contacts and new gains. And the other people who are working as employee, and if they are seeking for promotion wise, this time is also good for them. That time will start like from 20th July to 16th October. That is very good for the promotions. Even after that, like up to the mid of November, that time is good for them. And they sometimes they will feel like some ups and downs, and the persons doing job, they will feel as they are dissatisfied and they are working under stress. But don't worry, that period is only due to Saturn, which is in your second house, and they are making you more hard worker, and it will be fruitful in future. So if you are going to transfer the job, or you are going to change your job, then don't do it, because this year no transfers are seen. So after next year, like March 2022, then there will be transfers, not now. This year you have to wait for that, but promotions are due and you will be promoted surely. And like after health, the second thing is for road accidents. So there is some period, that is 2nd June to 19th July, the Mars will be in your 8th house. That is not good for good like driving. If you are not a good driver, then don't do driving at that time, or otherwise if you are even a very good driver, then drive carefully. That period is not good. And again, when sun will be in your 12th house from 16th November to 15th December, then you have to take care of your health, otherwise you will be like going to again and again to doctors. And 5th December to 15th January, like next year, so that period, like this period will start from 5th December 2021 to 15th January 2022. That is a period you have to drive carefully, otherwise you may hit someone, or someone may hit you. So this is not a good period for you. And the other thing, some people, they are very like interested to buy some property. If you want to buy some property, it is a very good time. You can buy any time, the whole year, and even the next year 2022 will be good to buy a property. And the other thing, if you are going through any court cases, so time is very good. The planet Rahu, which is called dragon's head, that is in your 6th house, that is showing the more gains from the court cases. So you will be benefited by this planet this year. So but if you are going to undergo any like legal issues regarding your ancestral property, then this year is not good. This is all for today for Sagittarians. In next video, I will discuss about the Capricorns. Keep watching my videos, subscribe it, like it. Bye.